How to use capital equipment grants to purchase medical devices. Upgrading your clinic's equipment is exciting, but it can also be expensive. From exam tables to ultrasound machines, quality medical devices are big investments. For many clinics, hospitals, and healthcare facilities, the cost can be a hurdle. That's where capital equipment grants come in. These grants can provide the funding you need to purchase essential, long-lasting medical devices without draining your operating budget. If used correctly, they can help you expand services, improve patient care, and modernize your facility, all while staying financially responsible. At MFI Medical, we've worked with healthcare providers nationwide to help them make the most of their grant funding. This guide walks you through what capital equipment grants are, what you can buy with them, and exactly how to use one to purchase the right medical devices for your practice. What are capital equipment grants? A capital equipment grant is a funding program designed specifically for the purchase of durable, high-value items that your facility will use for years. These grants are offered by government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and private foundations. Unlike research or operational grants, which cover short-term costs like salaries, supplies, or program expenses, capital equipment grants focus on long-term physical assets. For healthcare providers, this usually means durable medical equipment, DME, that directly supports patient care, improves efficiency, or enables new services. What medical equipment qualifies for a capital equipment grant? Most grant programs have clear rules about what can and cannot be purchased. In general, eligible equipment will have a useful life of 1 to 5 years or more, costs more than a set minimum, often $1,000 or higher, be used directly in patient care, diagnostics, or treatment. Examples of qualifying purchases include exam tables and procedure chairs, vital signs monitors, autoclaves and sterilizers, ultrasound machines, defibrillators and EKG machines, medical refrigerators and freezers. At MFI Medical, we carry all these categories, including refurbished medical devices that can stretch your grant dollars even further. Step by step, how to use a capital equipment grant. Applying for and using a capital equipment grant can feel intimidating, but breaking it into steps makes the process easier. 1. Identify available grant opportunities. Start your search by looking at funding sources at all levels, federal, state, and local. Here are a few places to begin. Grants.gov, a central database for U.S. federal grants. HRSA.gov, Health Resources and Services Administration programs. State Health Department websites. Private foundations and nonprofit health funding organizations. Pro tip: many smaller, local grants have less competition than large national programs. 2. Define your equipment needs and justify the purchase. A strong application clearly explains why you need the equipment and how it will improve patient care. To make your case, document any limitations with your current equipment. Show how the new purchase will improve outcomes, efficiency, or service capacity. Include quotes or estimates from approved vendors like MFI Medical. When possible, use data. For example, our outdated autoclave extends patient turnaround times by 30 minutes per appointment. A new model will increase daily patient capacity by 15%. 3. Choose a qualified vendor. Many grants require that you purchase from an approved or registered vendor. MFI Medical is listed in major systems like SAM.gov and GSA Advantage, and we participate in multiple e-procurement platforms. 4. Submit a strong application. Follow the grant's instructions exactly. Each program has its own eligibility rules, deadlines, and required documents. Missing even one detail can disqualify your application. Be sure to highlight the impact of the equipment on patient care, the longevity of the asset, any cost-saving measures such as buying refurbished models or bundling items for discounts. 5. Complete the purchase once awarded. When your grant is approved, follow the funding organization's purchasing guidelines. MFI Medical can work with your procurement team too. Prepare invoices that meet grant requirements. Arrange delivery schedules that align with project timelines. Provide all necessary documentation for compliance. This ensures a smooth process from award to installation. Bonus tip: use e-procurement or punch-out integration. If your organization uses platforms like Coupa, Jaguar, or SAP Ariba, MFI Medical can integrate via punch-out catalog. This makes ordering faster, ensures compliance with grant requirements, and simplifies record-keeping. For grant-funded purchases, these systems can also help track spending against budget. Why grants refurbished medical equipment equals maximum value. One way to stretch your grant funding is to consider refurbished medical devices. These products are inspected, restored, and tested to meet strict quality standards, often with warranties included. This allows you to purchase more equipment or invest in higher spec models without exceeding your grant amount. For example, instead of buying one brand new EKG machine, your grant might cover 2 refurbished EKG units, allowing you to serve more patients and expand your reach. Getting help with the process. Applying for a capital equipment grant can be time-consuming, but you don't have to do it alone. At MFI Medical, our team helps healthcare providers nationwide with custom quotes and equipment recommendations, tax exemption documentation, vendor registration and compliance paperwork, guidance on grant-related procurement requirements. Whether you're opening a new clinic, replacing outdated devices, or expanding services, we can help you make the most of your funding. Final thoughts. Capital equipment grants can be a powerful tool for growing your healthcare facility without the financial strain of large equipment purchases. By understanding eligibility, preparing a strong case, and working with an experienced vendor, you can turn your funding into high-quality, long-lasting medical assets. If your facility is ready to invest in affordable medical equipment, contact the MFI Medical team today. We'll help you navigate the process, get the most out of your grant, and equip your clinic for years of success. Shop smarter, save more with MFI Medical. Thank you for exploring MFI Medical's guide to how to use capital equipment grants to purchase medical devices. Visit mfimedical.com and find the perfect fit today.